How to download Stocktwits on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to get the Stocktwits app on your iPhone step by step. First of all, launch open App Store on your iOS device and in the search bar at the bottom, type in Stocktwits. Once you search for the app, you'll find this application in the search results from Stocktwits Inc. Go ahead and tap on the Get button or the cloud icon to start the download process. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, whichever is prompted, and you'll be able to start with the download process. Now wait for the download to complete, which will take a couple of minutes. Now, once it is done, tap on the Open button to launch open the Stocktwits app on your iPhone. Now click on Get Started and create a new account on Stocktwits. Go ahead, explore and join the community of traders sharing real-time ideas. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.